Morning YouTube, my name is Gwenga. I'm making this video this morning to show you some things that I have here and what they are used for. So I'll just go straight to the point. What I have right here is a Stepup boost converter, Stepup boost converter, step down buck converter, step down buck converter, BMS, or known as battery management system, SMPS, or switch mode power supply. I have a transformer and a rectifier. So the purpose of this video is to tell you what these items are used for. So without wasting our time, I'll go straight to the point. Stepup boost converter is used to step up, according to the name. It is used to step up low DC voltage to high DC voltage. So what I have here is a 5-volt step up. It step up from either 2 volts, 3 volts, as this one is supplying 3.7 volts to 4.2 volts. So what this does is that it step up the voltage, the low voltage that is coming from this battery, and it gives you output of 5 volts, which can be used to charge your mobile and some 5-volt devices like this Bluetooth keyboard that I have here and this Bluetooth headphone. Now this is also a Stepup boost converter, but the capacity is different. Why this one step up from 3 volts to 5 volts, this one step up from 10 volts to about 24 volts or 30 volts. Now to use this, you need a bigger battery than this. You need a battery of about 12 volts to make this useful, and you can use this to charge this 19 volt powered laptop that I have here. Now this is a buck converter. This is also a buck converter. So what these two, the work of these two is the same thing. The same way the work of these two is the same thing, but their capacity is different also. This can be used to charge this type of battery, and it can also be used to charge a 12-volt battery also. This can also be used to charge this type of battery, and it can also be used to charge a 12-volt battery. But the difference is that the power rating, even mere looking at it, you can tell that this one is bigger than this. So this one can handle more power than this. That's the difference. That's the basic difference. And this is a battery management system. What this does is that it is used to charge this type of battery connected in series. Now this is a 4S battery management system, which means it can be used to charge this type of battery, 4 different type of batteries connected in series. So I ordered this from China, but apparently it's not that reliable, it's not that efficient. I'm going to make a video in which I will use this. I want to construct my own BMS using this and diode. So you can subscribe and click on the notification button, which allows you to know when I upload the video that I'm talking about. Now this is a SMPS, switch mode power supply. Now what this does is that it takes the 220 volts. You know, here in Nigeria we use 220 volts, and some other countries they use 110, but here in Nigeria we use 220 volts. So what this does is that it takes the 220 volt that is coming inside, it steps it down, rectify it and regulate it. It steps the voltage down, rectify it and regulate it. So at the outputs you get different outputs. Now these two outputs is giving me 14 volts. regulated 14 volts. I'm getting 5 volts here and some other range of voltage. So that's just that. Now if you want to make this switch mode power supply, if you don't have this, or you need a bigger capacity of this, you can actually make this using this and this. I said earlier that this steps down, rectify and regulate. Now if you have these three, if I couple these three together, I will get bigger switch mode power supply. I will have a transformer that will step down, the rectifier that will rectify it, that will change the AC voltage to DC, and the regulator that will regulate it to the exact voltage that I want. Now I can use this to make a variable voltage power supply, which can be used to charge this type of battery or even bigger batteries.